What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper arms on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we want to take this cover off the arm. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver or a pocket screwdriver. Just take that cover off right there, or you could use a pick as well. Alright, now I'm going to take a 14mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Take this nut off. You can hold the arm so you don't put too much tension on the actual wiper transmission. There you go. It's still on there pretty good. Take that nut off. All right, before I take the arm off, I'm actually just going to mark where the wiper arm is. You could make a mark right here, or even right there, or on the other side. And just keep in mind so that you can put the wiper back where it was when you're done. Now you can use a special tool to remove these arms. What I'm going to do is just grab it though and just rock it back and forth. That loosens it up. And just grab the arm and slide it off. And then you can do the same with the other side. All right, take the wiper arm, slide it back in position. Make sure you put it where you marked it on the windshield. If you marked it, install the nut. I like to just push down on the arm a little bit just to get that to line up right. Take the 14mm socket, extension, and a ratchet, and we'll just snug this up. That's good. Take the cap, line it up, and lock it down, and do the same with the other one. Good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.